OPPO Watch 3 Pro, world first watch with the LTPO AMOLED display, all 4-side curved screen, new Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 processor, 100 plus sports functions, long battery life and many more. Today I'll show you the unboxing and the first impression of the OPPO Watch 3 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. In the box, first you will get dial up, then after black color strap, then charging dock, then Type-C to a cable, and last user manual. Now let's talk about the design and build. It's a curved screen design. The curved screen of the OPPO Watch 3 Pro is not like a mobile phone which is curved at the left and right edges of the screen, but it's curved up and down according to the overall screen. Such a curved surface design that effectively increases the screen area and makes the text on the screen clearer. The screen size of the OPPO Watch 3 Pro is 1.91 inches, which is full circle larger than the 1.75 inch screen of the OPPO Watch 3. This size is more suitable for boys. If the wrist is thin, it will be slightly thicker. The watch frame is made of aluminum alloy, and the frame of the watch can show a delicate matte texture under the reflection of the light. The crown part is specially made of stainless steel. The material of the bottom case of the watch is not glass, but the LNP special glass fiber. The central area of the bottom case is PPG sensor module. The top of the module is OPPO logo and the bottom is contact type charging module. The thickness of the dial is around 12.75 mm and the weight is around 37.5 grams excluding the strap. In terms of the strap, the official default 22 mm platinum black fluoro rubber strap is made of the fluoro rubber. In addition, the OPPO Watch 3 Pro strap is additionally provided with the leather version too. OPPO Watch 3 Pro uses a quick release design at the connection between the strap and the watch. The strap can be removed from body with a one click and one pull. The operation process is very convenient. OPPO Watch 3 Pro uses a LTPO full curved flexible screen and the refresh rate can be reduced of the minimum of 1 Hz when the dial is always on. The 4 sides equal width design make the screen more technologically advanced, and the screen resolution is 378 by 496 and the PPI is at high as 326. The screen supports automatic brightness adjustment and the peak brightness can reach up to 1000 nits. Even if you browse the content of the watch under the strong light, you can get a clear look and feel. OPPO Watch 3 Pro still uses the previous generation contact type charging base. The base interface is a Type-C specification. In addition, OPPO Watch 3 Pro supports a watchbook flash charging function. After actual testing, OPPO Watch 3 Pro can be charged by 35% in 10 minutes and 100% in 65 minutes. And OPPO Watch 3 Pro got a 550 mAh battery. The factory default system of the OPPO Watch 3 Pro is ColorOS Watch 5.0, but is an international version you will get the Wear OS. The system comes with a variety of tire types which can be used at any time, and there is no secondary charge. If you are tired of looking at the system dial, you can also design the dial style in the dial center to adopt a more usage scenario. OPPO Watch 3 Pro supports the 2 operating modes, namely Full Smart Mode and the Light Smart Mode. The Full Smart Mode will open all the functions of the watch and support the quick opening of the third-party application and independent call on the eSIM card. Although the performance is fully open, thanks to the UDDE dual-engine hybrid technology, the watch can guarantee 3 to 5 days of battery life even in Full Smart Mode. After actual experience, it consumes 29% of power in 1 day in Full Smart Mode. In the Light Smart Mode, the performance output of the watch will be limited to a certain extent. In terms of hardware, OPPO Watch 3 Pro debuted with the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 and the Apollo 4 Plus low-power small-core chip jointly developed by OPPO and Unbxoing. The two chips work together. On the one hand, it solves the watch fluency in the high load scenario, and it also allows the watch to have the longer battery life in a low power usage environment. OPPO Watch 3 Pro supports more than 100 sports monitoring and recording and can automatically identify the running, walking, swimming, outdoor cycling, rowing machine. The elliptical machines has 6 exercise modes. OPPO Watch 3 Pro supports 24-hour all-weather heart rate, all-weather blood oxygen monitoring, 24-hour irregular heart rhythm monitoring and other functions. The newly upgraded 12-channel optical blood oxygen monitoring sensor combined with the OPPO's exclusive self-developed algorithm can realize single-point blood oxygen monitoring. OPPO Watch 3 Pro as the third generation product of the OPPO Watch has become more and more perfect in terms of the sleep monitoring. Cultivate a healthy routine and message will automatically do not disturb with companionship and guardianship during the sleep. OPPO Watch 3 Pro base variant price in UK is around £250 and US is around $290. OPPO Watch 3 Pro has undergone 3 generations of the iterative development. Whether it is a product design or UI direction, has its own style UDTE 2.0 brings the simulation improvement in the performance and the battery life, and complete health indicator monitoring, uninterrupted protection for the health. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, just comment below and we will answer them soon. And give the video thumbs up and make sure to share with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling. And I will see you in the next one.
So we chop it, so we do it. This is when you come lock down the street. So we chop it, so we do it. This a rhythm I lock down the street. So we chop it, so we do it.